Morning. Let's go ahead in our lesson factorization. Today we will learn two new formulas for factorization. First, let's recall what we had learned in the expansion formula. We had learned that a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I hope you remember this. If you haven't uh, recollected or if you are finding it difficult to understand, please refer to the earlier videos of expansion lesson where we had learned this formula, right? Now from this formula, we are going to derive one formula for just a cube plus b cube. Okay, so why I wrote this formula above is to make you understand the difference between the two. This is a plus b the whole raised to 3. So it has a different formula. And this one is just a cube plus b cube. You should not confuse between the two. These are two different identities. We are deriving this formula a cube plus b cube from here. Okay. So when I will factorize this, the formula that I will get is a plus b in one bracket. In the second bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the factorization formula for a cube plus b cube. This is a factorization formula. This is an expansion formula. We are expanding a plus b the whole raised to 3. And this is the formula. A cube plus b cube, we are factorizing it into two brackets. A plus b. If there is a plus sign here, the first bracket will be a plus b. Right? Second bracket will be a square. This sign, if there is a plus here, will be a minus here. Minus ab plus b square. Similarly, we can get a formula for a cube minus b cube. Now, since there is a minus here, the first bracket will be a minus b. Now, second bracket will be a square as it is here. But since there is a minus here, there will be a plus here. ab plus b square. All the things are same. You can see a, b, a square, ab, b square. What is changing in the two is only the signs. And that also only at two places. One here and one in the middle. If there is a plus here, there will be a plus here. If there is a minus here, there will be a minus here. And since there is a plus here, there will be a minus in this bracket. Since there is a minus here, will be a plus in this bracket. So these are the two factorization formula for a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Now this should not be confused with a minus b the whole cube. There is a difference between a minus b whole raised to 3 and a cube minus b cube. For this the formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So you can see there is a difference. Do not confuse between a cube minus b cube and a minus b the whole cube. Similarly, a plus b the whole cube, this is the expansion formula. This is the factorization formula. A cube plus b cube. So we will be using these two formulas today to solve some sums. Okay, so let's begin. First one, x cube plus 8y cube. Now you can see this is in the form a cube plus b cube. Now before we start that, every term should be in the form of a cube. Now you can see 8 here is simple a number. So I should express this also as a cube. Now you know 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So this can be written as x cube plus, now 2 cube y cube. Now as we have learnt in indices, if the indices is same, we can remove it outside. So I put 2y in the bracket and take the cube outside. So my this question, x cube plus 8y cube has now taken this form. X cube plus 2y raised to 3. So you can see 2 cube is 8, y raised to 3 is y raised to 3. So now this is in the form a cube plus b cube, where what is a? X. And what is b? 2y. Right? So we should remember this. B is 2y and a is x. So let's write the formula. A cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So what will be my x cube plus 2y the whole cube equal to? As I have already told, a is x and b is 2y. So instead of a here, we write x. Instead of b, we write 2y. Next, a square. A square is x square minus a into b, that is x into 2y, plus b square, which is 2y raised to 2. Let's just solve it out. Minus x into 2y is nothing, 2xy, and 2y square will be, when you open the bracket, 4y square. So this becomes our answer. Let's solve one more. Now as you can see here, 16 and 54 is given. Sorry, this also will be x cube. 16 is not a perfect cube, and neither is 54 a perfect cube. So in such type of questions, we should try to remove something common outside so that what remains inside the bracket is a perfect cube. So let's find out what we can do. From 16, if I remove 2 outside, 8 will remain inside, which is a perfect cube. From 54, again if I remove 2 outside, 27 remains inside, which is a perfect cube. So let's do that. I remove 2 common outside. So from 16, if I have removed 2 outside, what will remain inside is 8. And from 54, when I remove 2 outside, what will remain inside is 27. So now 8 is also a perfect cube, 27 is also a perfect cube. So let us change the format as we did here. 2x raised to 3, correct? 2 cube is 8, x raised to 3 is x raised to 3. Similarly, 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So 3 cube is 27 and y raised to 3 is y raised to 3 or y cube. So I got again in the form a cube plus b cube. So again we will use the same formula now. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube. First bracket is a plus b. So now in this case a is 2x and b is 3y. So we got the first bracket a plus b. Next bracket a square, that is 2x whole raised to 2 minus ab, that is 2x into 3y, plus b square, that is plus 3y raised to 2. So what we get again, let's open the brackets, 2x plus 3y. 2x square is nothing but 4x square. Now we multiply this, 2 into 3 is 6, x into y is xy. Open this bracket, 9y square. So this is our factorization of this number. So the formula that we have used here is a cube plus b cube. Either directly in the question you will be given a number which is a perfect cube, or if not given, then you can remove something common, some multiple which is common outside, and the remaining will remain a perfect cube inside, and then you will be able to factorize it. Let's go next. Let's see one more sum. Now here you have x cube plus 64 upon x cube. Now 64 is a perfect cube of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So what we write is, we write it first in that form. 4 upon x the whole cube. I hope you remember the laws of indices. That is, a cube upon b cube can be written as a upon b the whole cube. So 64, you can see 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So I got 64 upon x cube. Now this is also in the form a cube plus b cube. Let's expand, factorize this. So the first bracket is a plus b. So here a is x and b is 4 upon x. Next bracket, a square. So x square minus a into b. That is x into 4 upon x plus b square. That is 4 upon x the whole square. Let's complete it out. X plus 4 upon x, x square. Now you can see one x is in the numerator, one in the denominator. We cancel it. What remains is minus 4 plus 4 square is 16 and x square. X raised to 2 is x square. So that gives us the answer. Now similarly, as we have solved for the plus sums, we can do it for the minus also. So now this is in the form a cube minus b cube. Let's rearrange the terms so that we get a clear cube. 8 is again cube of 2. So 2a cube, and 216 is cube of 6. So we got a cube minus b cube. Let's write our formula. A cube minus b cube is, first bracket a minus b, second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So you can see when there is a minus, we are putting a minus here. When there is a minus here, this sign will be a plus here. So now in our case, a is 2a and b is 6. So 2a cube minus 6 cube is equal to, A is what? 2A. And B is 6. So 2A minus 6. Next is A square, that is 2A square, plus AB, that is 2A into 6, plus B square. B square is 6 square. Let's just open it up. 2A square will become 4A square. 2A into 6 will be 6 2s are 12A, and 6 square is 36. So now this is the factorization of this number using the formula A cube minus B cube. Now let us have a combination of both. You can see here we have A plus B the whole cube and minus A minus B the whole cube. In earlier lesson also we had done this type of question in the earlier part when we were expanding A plus B the whole cube formula. But today we will be doing the same sum using A cube minus B cube. You can see this entire number can be like an A cube, minus this entire bracket can be like a B, and B raised to 3. So now this same formula can be solved using A cube minus B cube formula, where the first bracket is A minus B, second bracket is A square plus AB plus B square. So what will be my A here? A will be 2x plus 3y, the entire bracket. A will be 2x plus 3y. And what will be my B? 2x minus 3y. This entire bracket will be B. So it is A cube minus B cube. Now let us substitute in the formula, right? What is my first bracket? A minus B. What is my A? 2x plus 3y minus, what is my B? 2x minus 3y. I am writing this in a bracket because it's a binomial and there is a minus sign here. So I will have to change the signs. So this is my first bracket. Now let's go to the second bracket. Second bracket is A square. That means 2x plus 3y the whole square, plus AB. A is 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x minus 3y. This is A into B, plus B square. B square is 2x minus 3y the whole square. So this is now the substitution in the formula. Now we will have to expand it. Now first step, let's open this bracket. We write this part as it is. Now minus into 2x will become minus 2x. Minus into minus will become plus. So we get plus 3y. So this is the first bracket. Now let's do the second bracket. A plus B the whole square formula. Expansion. A plus B the whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square, 4x square. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12xy, plus B square, that is 9y square. Right? This is the expansion of the first bracket. Now let's do this multiplication. Binomial with binomial. 2x into 2x, 4x square. 2x into minus 3y, minus 6xy. 3y into 2x, plus 6xy. Plus 3y into minus 3y, minus 9y square. Now the last part. A minus B the whole square. Formula A square minus 2AB plus B square. So let's start. 4x square. A square, 4x square, minus 2AB. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 12. xy. Last, plus B square. That is plus 9y square. So we have expanded each and every bracket. Now what we do is, we try to cancel what we can. Otherwise, we add and subtract the like terms to get our final answer. So now in the first bracket, here 2x is plus, here 2x is minus. We cancel it. 3y plus 3y is 6y. So we got our first bracket. Now let us see here. We have 4x square, 4x square and 4x square. All the 4x squares are plus. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we get 12x square. Now 12xy is plus and here it is minus. So we cancel it. Now 9y square is plus here and minus here. We cancel it. But we have one more 9y square. So we write it there. Next, minus 6xy plus 6xy gets cancelled. So we get remaining is 4x square, which we have already added, and one 9y square. So either we leave it like this or we multiply this 6y with these numbers and open it up. 12 6 are 72x square y plus 9 6 are 54 y cube. So this becomes the final answer. Let's do one more sum of this type. Now let us say I have a question, x cube minus x plus 1 the whole cube. Now this is also like a cube minus b cube. You can see a cube minus this is the b. So in my case here a is x and b is x plus 1. So let's use our formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Let's substitute now. So x cube minus x plus 1 the whole cube. This is a cube minus b cube. What is a? X. Minus what is b? X plus 1. Again we write it in the bracket because it's a binomial. Next, a square. A is x. X square plus ab. That is x into x plus 1. Last is b square. B square is x plus 1 the whole square. Let's open up the bracket. Now minus sign, x will become minus and 1 also will become minus. Next, x square as it is. Now we multiply x into x, x square. X into 1, x. Now x plus 1 the whole square. Again we will open using a plus b the whole square. So a square is x square plus 2ab. So 2 into x and b square is 1. X gets cancelled. What remains is only 1 here. Now x square, x square, x square all are plus. So we add them up to get 3x square. We have 1x and 2x. That will become 3x and plus 1. So either we leave it like this or we multiply this minus to all the signs. So we get minus 3x square minus 3x minus 1. But it is always better to leave it in this form. So this was the formula that we learned today. That is a plus b the whole, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. Do not confuse it between a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. So these are the formulas I have used today to factorize some questions, and I hope you have understood it and you will be able to solve the textbook exercise. Thank you.